Gamers, listen up. If you're serious about maxing out your gaming performance, then picking the right motherboard is absolutely non-negotiable. Your motherboard is the command center of your PC. It determines how fast you game, how well your system runs, and how long your build stays future-proof. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 gaming motherboards of 2025, from Intel's cutting-edge Z890 boards to AMD's high-performance X870 beasts. Whether you're looking for next-level overclocking, insane connectivity, or the best bang for your buck, we've got the ultimate picks for you. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end, because our number one pick is an absolute monster that delivers premium performance at an unbeatable price. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best PC gear. And if you're looking for the best deals, we've dropped all the product links in the description below. Go check them out. Now let's get started. Blast off. Kicking off our list is the MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, an absolute powerhouse for AMD's latest Zen 5 processors. If you're running a Ryzen 9990X, this motherboard is built to unleash every bit of its performance while offering an insane number of ports for all your peripherals. Here's what makes it stand out: massive connectivity, a staggering 21 USB ports, including USB 4 Type-C, USB 3.1, and even legacy USB 2.0 ports. High-end performance supports PCIe 5.0 by 16, meaning you're future-proofed for the next generation of GPUs. Excellent cooling and build quality. VRMs and heatsinks are robust, keeping temps low for stable performance. Great value. At around $300, it delivers premium features without the premium price tag. However, there's a trade-off. Some PCIe and M.2 slots share bandwidth with the USB 4 ports, meaning if you max out your peripherals, you might sacrifice a bit of SSD speed. But for most gamers, this won't be a deal breaker. If you need tons of USB ports and rock-solid performance, this is an amazing pick. Next up, at number 4, is the Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX, a killer motherboard that brings premium X670 features at a surprisingly affordable price. So, why should you consider this over an X670E board? Well, PCIe 5.0 for graphics cards isn't really useful right now, and that's where Gigabyte made a smart choice, cutting down unnecessary costs while still delivering high-end storage speeds and excellent VRM cooling. 4 M.2 slots, including 1 PCIe 5.0 and 3 PCIe 4.0. Strong 16+2+2 power phase design, enough for a Ryzen 97950X with PBO-enabled high-speed networking with Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5G, LAN-loaded I/O, 13 USB ports, including USB-C 3.2 Gen 2. It's one of the best value X670 boards available. If you don't need PCIe 5.0 graphics slots but want a powerful, feature-packed motherboard, this is the one to get. Taking the number 3 spot is something for Intel fans: the ASRock B760MPG Sonic Wi-Fi. This micro ATX board isn't just a budget-friendly option. It's also one of the best-looking motherboards of 2025, featuring Sonic the Hedgehog branding and RGB lighting. But looks aside, it packs a serious punch. PCIe 5.0 support, future-proof for next-gen GPUs. 3 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots. Fast SSD storage for quick load times. Solid power delivery. 12+1+1 phase VRM. Can handle an i9-1390K without breaking a sweat. Strong connectivity. Wi-Fi 6E, Realtek 2.5G LAN, and USB-C 10 Gbps with support for Intel's 14th Gen CPUs. This motherboard won't let you down. If you're after a budget-friendly Intel build with great features, this is a fantastic pick. At number 2, we have a true powerhouse, the Asus ROG Maximus Z890 Hero. If you're going all in on Intel's Arrow Lake processors, this is the motherboard to get. 6 M.2 slots, load up on ultra-fast NVMe storage, massive power delivery, 27 power stages built for extreme overclocking, DDR5-9 200 OC support, up to 192 gigabytes of RAM for ultimate performance, tons of USB and Thunderbolt 4 ports. But here's the catch. It's expensive. You're paying a premium, but if you want the absolute best Z890 motherboard, this is the one to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Asus TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi, the best AMD B650 gaming motherboard and the overall best gaming motherboard of 2025. Why does this one take the crown? Simple. Outstanding value for money. Offers high-end features at a mid-range price. Solid 12+2 power stage design. Can handle a Ryzen 9 7950X with ease. PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot. Ensures future-proof storage speeds, TUF durability and cooling. Big heatsinks, reliable VRMS, and Wi-Fi 6 for fast wireless gaming. This board delivers the best balance of price, performance, and longevity. If you want the best motherboard for your AMD gaming PC in 2025, this is it. And there you have it, the top 5 gaming motherboards of 2025. These boards are power-packed with the best features for Intel and AMD gaming builds, and no matter your budget, there's a perfect pick for you. Which motherboard are you adding to your setup? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget, every motherboard we covered is linked in the description below, so check them out and grab the best deals before they're gone. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the best gaming gear. Stay tuned for more epic reviews, and we'll catch you in the next one. Game on, game over.